Alpha 1, you've reached the checkpoint gate. Drone, call sign, Raven, is overhead. I've got eyes on the perimeter. Thermal feed shows multiple heat signatures clustered near the gate and a truck idling by the fence. Expect several guards in fixed positions. Eliminate them and secure the entry. Use the environment to your advantage. Those fuel barrels are marked on the drone feed. One precise hit and you'll tip the odds. Lock down the gate and confirm when you're clear. Raven will keep relaying visuals while you move. Good work, Alpha 1. The gate is under our control, but you're still in hostile sights. The watchtower ahead has a sniper team covering the yard. If you leave them up, they'll pin you down the second you advance. Neutralize the tower, take away their overwatch, and clear the path for deeper infiltration. Stay precise, Alpha 1. No mistakes here.
Get down!
Tower is neutralized. Excellent shooting. You've just blinded their defenses. Now move inside the warehouse. The cartel's narcotics shipment is stockpiled there. We need to trace their supply lines, and that means planting a tracker on one of those crates. Expect heavy resistance.
Enemy spotted!
They'll guard that cargo with their lives. Get in, plant the device,
Enemy
and
spotted!
confirm tracker signal before exfil. Tracker signal is live. HQ is already receiving data. Outstanding work, Alpha 1. But there's more on the line. Somewhere nearby, they've secured a terminal holding vital intel. Shipment routes, contacts, maybe even safe house locations. Access that computer and pull every byte of data you can. Time is against us. Reinforcements are already mobilizing. Secure the intel and prepare for extraction. This will cripple their network's next move.